Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my students. So before going to develop a program to interface STM32 with LCD, so I will briefly explain about the function in C programming. So what is a C function? So function is a block of statement that perform a specific task. Suppose we want to build an application in C language, and in one of our program we need to perform a same task more than once. So in such case we have two options. The first is use the same set of statement every time we want to perform the task. Number two is to create a function to perform that task. The function like subroutine in assembly language, and then just call it every time you need to perform that task. So using option B is a good practice, and a good programmer always use functions while writing code in C. So C functions contains a set of instructions enclosed by parentheses which perform a specific operation in a C program. Actually, collection of these functions create a C program. Okay, there are three aspects in each C function. So when we write a program for function, we have three aspects. The first is function declaration. This informs the compiler about the function name, function parameters, and a return value data types. And then second is function call. So this call the actual function. And then the third is function definition. This contains all the statement to be executed by the function. Okay, this is a simple example C program using functions. As you know, the function should be declared and defined before calling in a C programs. So in this program, we have a on function called square. So this is a function square. We have a function square. So the first we declare the function float square. So this is a parameter x, float x. The function definition on program is typed below the program, so outside the main function. Okay, the second is a function call. So this is in the main program. So we call the function n is equal to square m. So this is we call the functions is go direct to the function definition square. Function square, float square, bracket float x. So the value of m, so the function program here is typed outside the main function. It's not in the main function, outside the main functions. Okay, the value of m is passed as argument to the function square. So the value is multiplied by itself, and then in this function and multiplied value p is returned to main function from function square. Okay, this is a simple program using functions. So that's all for functions. I'm not going to explain detail about functions because you already learned it in a C programming class. So we will use this concept of function in our next LCD program. Okay, we'll continue to write a program for LCD in the next episode.